Hey guys, it's Christy here. Of course, I had to be weird. Christy love, Christy joy. I want to be love and joy. Anyways, my whole purpose of doing this is to document my Braidlocs journey. I am doing this as part of like self-love for myself, but a part of my journey in truly loving myself. And so I wanted to document. This is my 1 month update on how it's been going. It's actually a little bit over a month, like a month and a week or so. But I would love to share my experience, and then also like and subscribe and comment because I want to learn more from you guys, and I just need to learn myself. So do that and keep watching if you want to learn more. I started the journey, I would say November 24th, 2018, which was like Thanksgiving Day or like the day before Thanksgiving. And I had been looking, I had actually thought about doing dreadlocks like years before. And then I decided like, maybe not, because I like to change my hair all the time. I like to be versatile. And so I was looking into like what type of dreads I could do, and then I was like, nah, never mind. People talked me out of it. And so now as I'm getting older, I feel like life's too short. Who cares? Just do you, boo-boo, live your best life. And so for me, I was like, you know what? Doing straight up like dreadlocks or starter locks was kind of too much for me, because I didn't want to pay all that money to start locks, especially this small. I did like a consultation and it would start at like $550 to do sister locks, and I am like, no, I can't do that. Well, I could, but I didn't want to, especially because I like to do stuff myself. And so this gave me the opportunity to actually like start my lock. And also I had my bestie help me, shout out to Jokey, which was really cool because she was parting my hair for me, and then I would just braid it down. But I feel like that meant so much more for me because it made the experience so much better. Like, these are locks of love. I love it. I feel like, I don't know, like there was so much love put into my hair. And that was the first time I actually had an experience where my friend was like helping me with my hair. I've never really had that, and so it was really nice and sweet, and so I call them like my locks of love. But anyway, so I decided to do braids. I decided to start them off as braids because I felt like it wasn't, if I didn't like it, I could take them out and I didn't have to fully commit with them. So that's the real reason why. But I have just been so into loving how locks look and how beautiful women look to me with locks, and I'm like, you know what, just go for it. You know, if I look crazy, I look crazy, but at least I tried something. So to move forward, it's been a month. I've washed my hair like, I don't know, three times already, and it's been a month and some change, because I feel like I've been having like, my scalp has been really itchy. Granted, it could be the change in temperature, like it's been hot and it's been really cold, so I don't know if that has something to do with it. So I've been putting like olive oil and stuff in my hair to try and help ease that, and I'm trying like different shampoos, black soap and stuff. I actually just tried a black soap on my scalp, which just felt really good, and I didn't put any oil on it, on my scalp that is. On my actual hair, yes. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the process, although I will honestly say sometimes I just feel like I look so ugly. I'll be like, I love myself so ugly. If I'm being completely honest and transparent. However, I've been doing these buns super easy. This has been making me feel a lot better about this style, because just wearing them free, which I don't know if I really care to take them out right now. To me, I feel like I look kind of crazy, but that's just me. And I'm working through the self-love process, so I'm working on taking care of that. And also, like, I just want to be like, who cares? If you like me, you like me. If my hair look kind of crazy to you, oh well, then you ain't supposed to be around me. You ain't a friend. Okay, let me stop. Cardi B has infiltrated our whole society, okay? What I do now to take care of my locks is at night I'll put on a bonnet, a big old huge bonnet, and I'll spray my hair with like a leave-in conditioner with some oil in it, and then I do that every night. And then in the morning I do the same thing, because my hair will be like, when I wake up, it's just like all over the place and squished, so I have to put something in it so it doesn't look crazy. So I do that and put the oil in it. I don't want it to look dry. I will say I have been kind of having an issue with dryness as of lately. I don't know why, but it's part of the process. I've been using, my mom has like a hair care and skin care line, so I've been using some of her oils, which has been really great. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. If you want to hear anything else, you can comment and let me know and I'll answer. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yay.